So I'm being told the story is a 2018 volcano. Can I lighten this? 2018 volcano, y'all. And look at all that lava in the back over there. Right now. This is all lava in the background. Holy smokes. And then it's all this greenery that didn't get touched by the volcano that survived. There's even a house back over there that didn't get touched. Thank goodness. 2018 volcano. Holy smokes. I ain't never seen nothing like it. Look at all of that. That is just incredible. You gotta switch from zoom to brightness. This is just a whole lot of lava that destroyed this beach. This water coming in. Look, we still in the splash zone. You see how dark it is? Wow. The ocean is its own thing. It's a world within a world. All kinds of creatures we never even seen before. Wow. You hear the rumbling? Creator is simply amazing. This was a